Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can choose the template and the Google Docs. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the App Store and then we have to download the app. I have already downloaded it. Now simply we have to click on the Docs app, and after clicking on that, as you can see, you will get the plus icon here. So now what we have to do, simply we have to click on this plus icon, and after clicking on this, we have to choose the first option, which is called choose template. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now you will get a lot of templates here. Now you have to choose that which template you want. If you want a lesson plan, CV, and every option is provided here. So you have to choose that which template you want. For example, I'm going to choose a random one, so we are going to choose this one here. So we have to click on this and we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, now we are here. So if you want to edit this, you can also do that. As you can see, now simply you have to click on this icon, and now you are in the editing mode. For example, I'm going to write the, so as you can see, now you can edit this. You can edit whatever you want. You can edit the images as well. The images option is provided here. If you want to edit the description, every option is editable here. So in this way, you can choose the template and you can rearrange the template and you can edit the information of the template in the Google Docs app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.